Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about the operations menu. It's part 4 of the videos and it's about the color section here, this one. Okay, so here in Nomad, this part of the menu. So I delete those things here and we need an example. Maybe like this. Okay. So we need color. I change here the painting menu, so I need a image. So, okay. So now we have an image, and here it's possible to change between color, roughness, metalness, opacity, and also the mask is possible. This is an extra part. So here for the color, so you can change here the exposure, the saturation, the contrast, and the hue. So pick the slider and see what happens. So you can change here the hue, whatever color you want. So I go back. So the saturation, you can make it grayscale like this, or even more colorful like this. So it's, yeah, the same as in painting apps. So here real bright, and yeah. So very nice. So, and you can do it also for every channel here, for the roughness, for the metalness, and so on. Okay, I go, a few steps back. So the same you can do for the mask. So we need here a mask. So I change a little bit. So now we have here a mask, and here I change now the setting to the mask icon, and so we can change the contrast, so like this. It's very useful for the mask, so to change it a little bit, the whole thing. Or the exposure, so make it darker or brighter. And you can combine it with a blur, so, and the contrast also possible. And then use the inflate and see what happens. So nice effects, and also here the checkbox for the mask, and then nothing happens because the mask is not respected. So here for the inflate, and then you can use smoothing and smooth the whole thing. So a lot of combinations are possible with this whole thing here. Very nice effects, and yeah, I like it. So for the color, it's really a nice thing to do, to work with these channel things here. Or okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting, and ciao.